Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cash out on Coinbase. Cashing out of your funds on your Coinbase account involves converting your cryptocurrency to fiat currency and then transferring the fiat currency to your bank account. So here is how you can do it. First of all, tap Open Coinbase application and make sure that you're signed in to your account with your username and password. Now once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on the portfolio button at the bottom. From the overview page, select the cryptocurrency you want to convert to fiat currency. For example, you can select Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now after you get to the Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency that you've chosen this kind of a page, simply go ahead and click on the trade button at the bottom. Now select the sell option at the bottom right corner and then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, choose the fiat currency you want to convert your cryptocurrency into, and then review and confirm your transaction. After the sale is confirmed, the fiat currency will now be available on your Coinbase fiat wallet. Get back to the portfolio page again and then click on your fiat balance and click on the transfer button at the top right corner and choose withdraw to bank. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add and verify your bank account by providing the necessary information. Follow through the instructions till the end and that way you will be able to cash out on Coinbase account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.